What's going on, YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. This package was sent by a fellow knife YouTuber who goes by the name of Pocketank. You guys have probably heard me say something about him on this channel before. Not only is he an awesome channel, but he's also got a giveaway going on right now. So if you're not subscribed to him and you want to get in on his giveaway, there's a link in the description. You can, if you want to, pause this video, head over there, subscribe, make sure your notifications are set to all for him, and then come back. I promise this video will still be here for your viewing enjoyment. I am excited about this. This was a gift from him, and he's been, Pocketank, I know you're watching. You've been very generous with me on this channel. I really appreciate it, and you know, it was one of those situations where he's like, hey, I got something for you, it's coming. And like I've said many times, once people decide they're going to give you a gift, there's really nothing you can do about it. So, you know, that's part of the reason I want to try and send you guys his way if I can. If you want your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea for your own knife unboxing adventures, or any unboxing adventures of any type, or really any adventures of any type, you can use my Amazon affiliate link down in the description and pick one of those up for yourself. As you can see, it is gliding through the reinforcements of this package with the utmost precision and ease. See, we're already in, so you know it's a knife. What do we have? I'm excited about this package because it's big. You know what? I'm going to stop right there. I know I'm going to regret what I'm saying. There's something. This is a large. What the heck? Wait. Oh, man. I'm getting. I have deja vu all of a sudden. So, you guys didn't actually see. A lot of you watched my unboxing here earlier on this week, where I was like, I screwed up and I thought this was for me, but it was actually for Jeff. This, I had deja vu just now, because I remember pulling this out and I was like, wow, Ontario Knife Company, it's obviously a really big knife or fixed blade, and you guys never saw the original unboxing. I scrapped it. It's never to be seen. It's gone. It is deleted from, it's in the ether now. But you guys got a different version of the unboxing of me saying, sorry, these are actually for him. So anyways, another Ontario Knife Company large box, obviously with a large knife, I'm guessing, inside of it. Except this time, this is actually for me. What do we have? I'm so excited. Is there tape on here? Yeah. Oh, yes. It's the same knife. Jeff, now we both have one. Oh my gosh. You know what's funny? Oh, no, wait, is it down here? No, it's not down here. I was going to say, now I can dual wield them. Oh man, I gotta admit. So, Heracles, the guy who sent this to Jeff, awesome guy, very generous. I was happy to do that. But I remember picking that up and thinking, man, you know, I'd really like to have one of those for myself, but it's not for me, so I got to send it on to Jeff. But now I have my own Raider Bowie. I really appreciate that, and here's why. This is something I said in the unboxing the first time around, the one that you didn't see because it was me assuming it was for me. I gave away my dedicated, like, big aggressive fixed blade to a friend, and I've regretted that ever since. You know, I've got some utilitarian fixed blades lying around that are much smaller, but you know, just I miss, for nostalgic reasons, and just, you know, for, you know, just enjoying having a large knife around. I missed that knife. It's nowhere near. It was an old K-bar fighter, I think. It was only like this big, nowhere near the size of this bad boy. That is super cool. I am really excited to take this thing out. I'll tell you what, Pocketank, just because you sent this to me, I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but you guys are used to my channel being like an overhead tabletop review. What I should do, and you guys let me know down in the comment section if you think this would be fun. I am not like a outdoor knife test video. I'm not a bushcraft, or I'm not an outdoor knife test channel. I'm not a bushcraft channel. I don't do much of that. But we're getting into the fall season out here, and I'd like to do some more stuff outside before it gets very wintry And winter in Kansas sucks. It's terrible. It's very windy and icy. If you guys would enjoy some fun outdoor style videos featuring this knife and some shenanigans with said knife, with safety equipment, of course, let me know in the comment section, because I feel like the videos I've seen with this thing are that it's basically indestructible. I think that would be a lot of fun. I think it would you know, really, it would honor Pocketank and his generosity towards this channel if I were to actually take this thing out and use it, and I so want to. I so want to. That would be so much fun, and it would be a breath of fresh air for this channel, something different, something entertaining for you guys. Let me know. Pocketank, thank you so much. Awesome guy, super generous, super thoughtful gift. I'm so excited about this. Guys, we have a content-packed weekend, definitely. I've got a top 10 video for you guys tomorrow, along with Quest for the Perfect Budget Knife, episode 4. Then on Sunday, I have a video I did a while back, and I've just kind of been saving it. It's basically pros and cons to starting a YouTube channel for anybody who's interested. And then, of course, we have the knife guys. So we've got 4 more videos coming this weekend, and I'm going to try to do a live stream either tonight or tomorrow. Check the date on this video, because if you're watching this video like a year in the future, obviously you're going to be disappointed. Tonight or tomorrow night at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time, I will be doing a live stream. If you want to make sure and keep updated on that, you can follow me on Instagram at metal_complex, which I will use to kind of remind everybody, hey, this is when I'm going to do the live stream. So anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for this epic unboxing, even though I've unboxed the same knife twice this week. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe to my channel, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.